Tips for beginner designers. Practice makes perfect. Good things take time. So be patient. Follow expert designers and design trends. Cooperate and connect with other designers. Implement what you learned as soon as possible. Enjoy what you do and believe in your ability. Create your portfolio before having an opportunity. Research before you start designing. Choose the correct typeface/font. Make sure colors pop up bright, white space and consistent images. Create orders with properly aligned elements and text. Lastly, think outside the box. Vertex Media LLC